Hi, I'm making a procedural dungeon generator as an add-on for Godot. And this is the introductory, kind of where I'm at. It's not done yet. And this is just going to be like a 5-minute clip about where it is and what I'm planning to do with it. So, this is the add-on. We have a main screen and a bottom area here with a couple of tabs for extra information. This is where we can generate different dungeons, and the dungeons are not completely random. We basically tell it to do certain things in a certain order with the floor definition. So in here we have the default floor. This one has 5 steps where it tries to first build a room in the center of the world, and then we attach a corridor to it. Then we attach up to 6 rooms to that previous corridor. Then we take the last room and attach a corridor to that room, and we attach, we attach 5 corridors. Yeah, that's why it looks like this, I guess, a little bit. Anyway, we do it directed, so we can have some control over how the dungeon is generated and the layout of the dungeon. So this isn't completely random, but it is random enough. And what happens is that we do this section by section. So in the map data that we are writing to, we start with a section like this, and we add to that a section like this corridor that starts there, ends here, and then we add a section, a section, a section. Like each one of these rooms are a section. Anything that we will find and put into the generation will be a section, and that section can be defined by the user in any way, shape, or form they want to do it. So to do like a room section, let's go for the standard room here, and we can build a single standard room. This is how you would, when you write your own section, this is where you go to debug the section. Currently here we have a certain basically this standard room has only a little bit of range of the min and max size of it. That's enough. We can go back to dungeon mode. We can do pathfinding in here randomly like this. Verify connectivity between the different sections and stuff like that. The goal of this add-on is basically to be able to have debug capabilities inside the editor with editor tooling, so you can define your own sections and parts and bits and pieces that goes into your personal procedural generation, and then you can use the rule sets to say how to generate these, well, how to use those bits and pieces to generate the thing that you want to have, and in the end you end up with something hopefully that you want. Right, but it will be highly dependent on what you do, how you define your sections and so on. Currently I'm just running very basic sections. This whole dungeon is only 3 sections. It's a corridor, standard starting room, and a variation of this standard room that is just the standard room. So for those interested in following the development of this, I am streaming live on Twitch while working on it, and I do other stuff there too, but lately it's mainly been this add-on. And you're welcome if you have nothing better to do in life.